Some of you already know, but Jeremy and I are participating in the Hyperion chair project that Pepe Lima and Shinobi Tree came up with. So this is the Hyperion chair designed by Pepe Lima, and as a thank you to fellow woodworkers, he's given us all the plans and stuff for it so we can go and create our own. We have decided to do this chair a little bit bigger and with bent lamination. So I'm going to show you the side pieces that we've created, which is actually what we're currently working on. But over the next little while, you guys will see the process on how we do all of it, and I hope you like it. But this is what it looks like in 3D design so far. So again, this is just the side pieces, and if you remember on here, the original is all solid. So we've opened it up and we have 3 separate bent lamination edges, I guess, if you will. And you'll be able to see straight through it on the side, right? And then all the slats and things are on the top. We're doing this out of Sapile. We're gonna have the process shown on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. YouTube's gonna have a video of it too. And this is just a fun community woodworking project. No competition or like anything like that, but search Hyperion Chair Project, the hashtags, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of that, and you'll see some of the other ones that are being worked on. Super, super cool. Very excited about it. I hope you guys follow along with us.